Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to do unboxing of DT Watch Ultra. Now this is a second copy version of Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. So today we are going to look all of its features, and on the box they are mentioning that it has 32 GB of internal storage. You can connect your TWS and you can add local music. You can buy these watches from AliExpress from Zorwing. Seller is Zorwing, and let me just first quickly peel the plastic off from the back. So let me just take off this plastic and show you what's inside the box. So here is our watch, and let's see what else is inside the box. It is our watch, and it's in black color. So you can order this in white one as well. Let me just quickly show you what's inside the box. Here is another package. So let's see what's inside. You get a strap which is in orange color, and you get a charging dock which looks similar to DT Watch X. Here is our quick start guide, which we don't need actually. So there is nothing else inside the box. And these are the things that we get inside the box. We get one strap and charging dock. Here is our watch. So yeah, it looks similar to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, but I will show you the difference. What's the difference in this version compared to the Galaxy Watch Ultra 7. Here's the power button, crown key. On the back side, as you can see, looks a little bit different. On the left hand side we have speaker grill. So let me just quickly turn this on, and I will show you the display quality in a few minutes. Actually it comes with IPS display, which is very disappointing. That's why I do not recommend to purchase this watch. So let me just quickly show you that it does not come with an AMOLED display, which is very disappointing. As you can see, if we tilt the watch, you can see the viewing angles. It has grayish tone on blacks, and the menu does not look even close to Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 7. It is fast, but still guys, it should come with the AMOLED display. And let me just quickly turn down the brightness. So yeah, really annoying that it does not come with the AMOLED display. In this price range, a lot of actually smartwatches comes with the AMOLED display, but this does not come with an AMOLED display. The user interface is smoother, but I do not recommend to purchase this watch because it does not even look close to Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 7. I'm talking about the display because the display is IPS, and if they made an AMOLED display, this would be a perfect clone watch, because the smoothness is very smooth actually, and it has 32 GB of internal storage. Also guys, there is the mechanism of changing the watch strap is different compared to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 7. So let me just quickly show you from the back. It is similar to the Apple Watch Ultra. As you can see, if I remove it like this, it is very similar to the original Apple Watch Ultra, but it is not similar to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra, which is very disappointing that they made these changes in DT Watch Ultra. It does not come with the AMOLED display first, and then the mechanism of changing strap is not similar to the original Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. You cannot put Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra original straps in this one. So yeah, I do not recommend this watch at all, because honestly you are just wasting your money if you spend on this watch, because the display is not that great compared to the other clone watches. There are a lot of watch faces, but I wish that they made the display AMOLED. As you can see, a lot of watch faces are available, and you can download more watch faces. So yeah, that's the only thing that I really don't like, and This one honestly is much better, Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 7 copy compared to DT Watch Ultra. So get this one instead. As you can see, the viewing angles is different. So I will be comparing it in the future video with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 7, so stay tuned for that. And thanks a lot for watching my video, guys. If you like this video, click on that like button, subscribe to my channel, click on that bell notification so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Allah Hafiz.